If you have a robotic automation company business, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your robotic automation company business. In an automation company, you get a lot of inquiry regarding automation, updates, alerts, appointments and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome back to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your robotic automation company business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, we need to open WhatsApp web. Here I'm going to enter my key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message which welcomed me to Pabbly Automation, and with that they have given me 3 action button which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to see about their services. I will click on that. Here they responded me with all their specialized services. With that they have given me 2 action button which is talk to support and menu. Let's click on menu. After clicking on menu, they have given me their welcome message again. Now this time, let's choose about booking. As soon as I have clicked on book demo, they inquired about few details like company name. I will enter my company name. After entering my company name, they have asked me about type of manufacturer my company is. Let's say it is FMCG company. I will enter that. After knowing about type of manufacturing, they have asked me about preferred date and time. Let me enter 2nd June 10 PM. Now as soon as they have got every single detail about mine, they delivered a confirmation message in which they mention a team will contact you with a confirmation and a calendar invite. And with that, they have given me 2 action button again, talk to support and menu. Now, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow today, we will click on that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify your Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, we have contact section where you can create new contact and separate them according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template. Template is an option where you can create customized template to give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below flow, there is AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to know about each feature individually, we have created separate video for that as well. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on flow and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here, to create a new flow, you need to click on add flow button. After clicking on add flow button, you will be redirected to this page where you can see a window is open named by flow start. As soon as you will be landed on this page, first name your flow according to your requirement. As we are making this chatbot for robotic automation company, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your robotic automation company. After giving meaningful name, let's move building this flow. For that, we have three features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to add regex, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. Okay, now as soon as my customer enter a key message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message with media will be delivered to them. Over here, I will browse the image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to add my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Here I'm going to add my message which says, "Welcome to Pabbly Automation, powering the future of manufacturing. We help factories and industry boost productivity with smart automation solution. What would you like to explore today?" For that, I'm going to give them few action button. To give action button, I will click on add button option and enter my text, our service, stories and case studies. After that, for my last action button, I will enter book demo. Now, after giving all three action button, I will enter separate message for each action button. Let's start with our service. To tell about our service, I will give a separate message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all our services which we provide to our customer. With that, I'm going to add two action button which says talk to support and menu. Now I'm going to connect our menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as a customer click on menu button, they will get initial message again and will provide a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I will mention that our team will contact them as soon as possible and waiting time is 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's move to our next action button, which is story and case study. For that, I'm going to give a separate message. Again, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I will tell my customer about recent projects, all the case studies, and with that, if they want to see full case study, I will give them a PDF. For that, I have asked them a question that want to view a full case study PDF. For that, I'm going to add an action button which says PDF. And for that, I will add a media. To add a media, I will drag and drop, select the media button and enter my URL of my document. I have entered my URL over here and select my media type as document. After that, I will move to our third action button, which is book a demo. For that, I need to know few details of my customer. So I will drag and drop ask question button and connect with my action button. And over here, I will ask my customer about their company name. And I'm going to select my contact custom field as company and format as any. After knowing their company name, I will ask them what type of manufacturer they are. For that, I'm going to click on ask question and connect with my previous question. And over here, I will enter my message, type of manufacturing, example pharma, auto, FMCG, etc. After that, I want to know about date and time to book their schedule. For that, I'm going to ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my text, preferred date and time. Now I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot, and format as any. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that you need to first come with me to the settings section. Over here you can see a option is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on contact custom field, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now after knowing every single details of my customer, I will provide them a confirmation message in which I will enter. Our team will contact you with confirmation and a calendar invite. Now with that I will provide two action button which says talk to support and menu. Now I'm going to connect my menu button with our initial message and connect talk to support button with a message that we have put for talk to support. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for robotic automation company. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.